This is an update on the outdoor Zippo utility lighter, and unfortunately I have to say it's not working anymore. It won't light. And the sad thing is I've heard of some others that have posted online that theirs has failed too. This actually failed within 30 days of purchase. I bought it at Fry's, so I'm going to go see if Fry's will allow me to either exchange it or return it. I'm kind of sad that this lighter failed so quickly because I really like this lighter. And I actually might write a letter to or email Zippo just to ask them if there was any problems in the manufacturing of these lighters, because there is a little bit of a code right there. Maybe that's they do that for quality control. So maybe this lighter was in a production date where they had problems. You can still light it. I can't oh wait, this is a Zippo though. I can do this one-handed. Just don't tip over. So I can still light it. So it's not a butane problem. It's just definitely a ignition problem. So you know, I have to do these videos because I kind of praised this lighter in my first review, and this is an update. But we'll see. Maybe Fry's will give me another one, and maybe Zippo will have an explanation to why some of these lighters, these specific ones, seem to fail so quickly. Okay, thank you for watching.